How often hotels replace towels? A deep dive.
Hey there! Today we're diving into the world of hotels and their pristine white towels. Ever wondered how often hotels replace their towels to maintain that fresh whiteness? Well, you're about to find out.
Why is towel whiteness important?
Hotels, especially those of higher end, are all about maintaining a certain standard of luxury and cleanliness. White towels symbolize purity, cleanliness, and luxury. When guests see a crisp white towel, it communicates that the hotel pays attention to detail and values hygiene. Maintaining this crisp whiteness becomes a top priority for hotels to ensure guest satisfaction.
Factors affecting towel longevity.
Before we jump into the exact frequency of replacement, it's essential to understand the factors that determine a towel's lifespan. 1. Quality of towel. High-quality towels made of good material tend to last longer. 2. Usage frequency. Towels in rooms that are booked more frequently wear out faster. 3. Cleaning methods. The type of detergents, bleach, and washing techniques can either prolong or reduce the life of towels. 4. Guest habits. Some guests might use towels more roughly or stain them, leading to a need for early replacement.
So, how often are they replaced?
Now to the main question. Hotels typically evaluate towels for quality during regular laundry cycles. If a towel is noticeably worn out, discolored, or torn, it's removed from circulation. However, on average, budget hotels might replace towels once a year or as needed. Mid-range hotels, typically every 6 to 9 months. Luxury hotels prioritize guest experience so much that they might replace towels every 3 to 6 months, or even sooner if the quality diminishes. It's worth noting that just because a towel is removed from guest use, it doesn't mean it's thrown away. Many hotels recycle or repurpose old towels for rags or donate them. Towel replacement in hotels is an interesting blend of maintaining luxury standards and practical considerations. The next time you find yourself wrapping up in a soft, white hotel towel, remember the behind-the-scenes effort that goes into maintaining that freshness. We hope you found this deep dive insightful. Safe travels and always enjoy those fluffy white towels.